Alright, here we have an MGC oil filter housing, the canister with the aluminum housing. And we're going to show you how to install simply a spin-on conversion kit made by Mocal and ourselves about 25 years ago. You remove the housing, and the old filter. And the next part's a little more difficult because a lot of people think this is all machine piece and it's all together. You would take a rod, put this in a vise, hold it, take a rod, run it through here, and this will loosen up. So you remove the center section from the housing. It comes out along with the disc. All right, now you're ready to put on your spin-on filter adapter. Now I'm doing this all by hand, but you will need some tools. Here's the new kit. It includes the adapter and the aluminum replacement piece so that you can install the spin-on filter. So you take the threaded adapter, you're going to thread that in to the old housing. Now I'm just doing this hand tight at the moment, but you should get 2 nuts, put them on there, and screw this so it's flush with the base of the casting. Once that's done, here you've got your aluminum adapter. Now you notice that center moves in and out, okay? And the kit includes a washer, a rubber washer that goes on the casting, and then you've got a flat washer and 2 more O-rings. So the flat rubber washer goes into the housing, and your O-rings go next, the 2 O-rings go next. Now you can see that this is you're going to force this down until it's seated. All right, that's going to prevent the oil, that seal is going to prevent the oil from passing through, bypassing the filter. You're going to now thread your nut on. You tighten everything down, nice and snug. And now you're ready to take your filter. This is a filter. We've got a Fleet Guard filter, an LF785. You can thread that right on. It comes with, we provide the filter with our kit, so you're not going to have to run out and buy something else. Everything's going to be there. You just need some tools, an adjustable wrench, a thread, a rod, and you're all set, and you've done the conversion. That's all there is to it. Happy motoring.